Welcome back to Review Remedy, the podcast where we help you make sense of healthcare choices. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought about how much confidence is connected to the way we feel about ourselves? For some people, that journey involves recovering from an injury. For others, it may be addressing changes after weight loss, pregnancy, aging, or simply exploring options they've been considering for years. The challenge isn't usually finding a plastic surgery clinic. The challenge is figuring out which clinic deserves a place on your shortlist. That's why today we're looking at ScoreDoc's report on the 3 best plastic and reconstructive surgery clinics in Dallas, Texas for 2026. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This episode is for informational purposes only. It is not medical advice, and it should not be considered a recommendation or endorsement of any clinic. Always do your own research and consult qualified healthcare professionals before making healthcare decisions.
When people research plastic and reconstructive surgery, they aren't just comparing procedures. They're comparing trust, experience, communication, and whether they feel comfortable with a clinic. A good starting point can save hours of searching, and that's exactly what today's list aims to provide.
The third clinic highlighted by ScoreDoc is USA Plastic Surgery. Whether you're just beginning your research or comparing several clinics in Dallas, this practice provides another option to consider. Remember, factors such as physician expertise, consultation experience, treatment goals, and personal comfort all play an important role in choosing the right clinic. The first clinic featured in the ScoreDoc report is Dauwe Plastic Surgery. For Dallas area residents looking for a clinic focused on plastic and reconstructive procedures, this is one option worth exploring further. Many patients begin with a consultation to understand what's possible, learn about recovery expectations, and determine whether a procedure aligns with their goals.
Next is Lemmon Avenue Plastic Surgery and Laser Center. This clinic may be particularly interesting for individuals researching both surgical and aesthetic treatment options. For patients who want to explore multiple approaches before making a decision, it's another name to keep on their research list. One thing worth remembering is that the best clinic isn't necessarily the same for everyone. The right choice depends on your specific needs, expectations, and the questions you ask during consultations. That's why it's important to use lists like this as a starting point, not the final answer.
Let's quickly recap the clinics featured in today's episode. Dauwe Plastic Surgery, Lemmon Avenue Plastic Surgery, and Laser Center USA Plastic Surgery. For more details, physician profiles, and clinic reports, visit the full ScoreDoc article.
Research thoroughly, verify information directly with the clinic, and choose the option that best aligns with your goals.
Thanks for listening to Review Remedy.
And we'll meet you in the next one.
Take care and stay informed.